Here's an example of the door seal weathering damage that can occur over time, probably from hitting it with shoes. You can see that starting to crack in this place right here, so it needs to be repaired somehow. The passenger side looks like the seal also has some wear in the same location around the bend of the lower seal area. Could be from shoes, but maybe not. To replace the seal, it looks like it's about $160 plus installation to do each of the doors. So look and see if there's a better way. One thing that I came up with was some silicone RTV gasket maker that I had in my toolbox. Using a wooden kitchen skewer, I used that to spread some of the RTV into the inside of the broken seal in the door and coat it with the RTV both on the inside and the outside. I then also added some additional material to fill in the wear areas on the top of the seal to try to smooth it out as much as possible. Slowly trying to work it into the material so the adhesion would be as good as possible. And it looks like it was adhering pretty well to the EPDM gasket material. To further smooth it out, I took some kitchen plastic wrap, placed it over the RTV, and then smoothed it out with my fingers and thumbnail as much as possible. Okay, here we're going to remove the cellophane after it's been on there for basically 24 hours. And generally looks okay. You can see that in this area, now it's dry, that the crack that was there earlier is not really present. So it looks like it did glue it pretty well. Now we'll coat it, the whole thing, with some protectant, and I'm guessing that with a little bit of wear and tear, it's going to slowly start to match the rest of the color as it gets rid of that shiny coating surface. After the apparent failure of using Armor All to coat the seals, I went back and did research on all of the best weather seal protectants that are available on the market, and really didn't come up with one that had all of the metrics checked off. So I ended up making my own. However, I do have a video coming out that compares the top 10 best weather seal protectants, and it's going to be a really exciting and interesting video, so please watch that when it comes out, and I think we'll really learn a lot about it. Here on the driver's side, after adding the solution that was homemade and put onto the seal, it looks really good. It's dark. The RTV patch is really difficult to see